Hi guys, today we are going to learn about basic of coding denial. So what is coding denial? Basic definition of denial is insurance is denying for the medical process. So it can be related to coding, then it will be a coding denial. So it will be like for CPT, ICD, modifier and place of service. If there is any changes in that CPT, ICD and modifier or place of service, so it will be for the coding denial. To learn coding denial, we need to understand how denial are formed. To identify this, we need to see RCM cycle first. So what is RCM cycle? We'll check the basic definition of the RCM cycle. This is financial process utilizing medical billing software to track patient care episodes from registration and appointment scheduling to find a payment of balance. So there are basically 4 steps in that cycle. So first we will check for the start of the claim. So in the start of the claim, patient first got registered. Okay. After registration of that patient, we need to check the eligibility criteria of the patient. Whether that patient is eligible for that particular insurance or not. How many plans patient have for that particular insurance. Which plans is suitable for that patient. So in the eligibility criteria, we are going to check everything about insurance, and after that we took appointment for the provider. After taking appointment, patient went to the provider. So that is the first start of the claim. This is how claim will get start. Okay. So this is the first step. And for the second step, we need to check the claim submission. Okay. Obviously, if we need to submit a claim, we need to enter that claim into the software. Okay. So in that, we need to check the charge entry. We need to enter that chart into our software. Then that chart goes to the medical coding. Okay. Medical coding department, what does? They will analyze the chart, they will analyze the medical record, and according to that, they will add CPT, ICD and modifier and coding related other stuff like place of service. If there is any other thing is required regarding the coding, they are going to add into that. So, and after adding, coding department submitted that claim to the insurance. Most of the places, coding people are not submitting the timely file submission for that claim. It will goes to the AR department, and AR department will submit the claim. This is how we are completed the second part of the RCM cycle, that is claim submission. In the third part, we need to check for the claim management. In that claim management, what comes like payment posting, then medical coding related denial, or if it is related AR, so we need to check for that denial. So after payment posting, we come to know that which type of denial we got for that particular claim. So accordingly, we need to check for that denial and we need to work. After completing the denial, we need to appeal for that claim. If still that claim has not got any payment, then we can go for the appeal. Okay, this is the step we can follow. After that, we need to check for the AR management. What AR people will do? They will follow up, and for the appeal, they will check the patient collection and patient status. Okay, so these are the things we need to check in RCM cycle. Okay. After submitting the claim, after getting payment from that for that particular provider for that particular process, that cycle will get completed. So basically this cycle is for to get payment for that provider. So this is cycle will indicate all that stuff. Okay. So this is how we have learned the RCM cycle. This is very basic about the RCM cycle. In the other next video, we'll probably see the whole RCM cycle. Okay. So after that, we have seen the RCM. We have then it comes for the coding denial. Then how we can identify the coding denial. So coding denial, the main thing we need to check whether that denial is related to coding or not. Okay. So how we can change whether it is related to coding or not. For that reason, we need to analyze the cause of that denial. To check that cause, we need to verify EOB, or we need to check biller comment. If we check biller comment or EOB properly, I am pretty sure that half of your denial will get resolved from that causes only. So basically we need to analyze denial reason properly, and according we need to work as per the on our denial reason. So how we can resolve that reason? Okay. So it will be simple after reading the denial reason. So you need to work as per CPT, ICD, modifier or place of service. So guys, in the next video we'll learn the as per the denial reason how we can solve the coding denial, as per the denial remark code, what are the remark code, how we can learn the EOB, everything we are going to see